Hello friends, welcome my new video and please subscribe my channel for more videos. In this video I'm share Regalo extra wide walk-through baby gate. About this item. Extra wide, expands to fit openings between 29 to 34 and 35 to 38.5 inches wide. Stands 30 inches tall. Please be sure measure your opening prior to purchase to ensure proper fit. Note, this gate will not fit an opening between 34 to 35 inch, an additional 4 extension is needed. Easy to use and set up, pressure mount design that is quick to set up. Please note, before installation there will be a gap between the gate latch and the frame which is not a defect and it is not bent. This gap will be eliminated once installed. Adjustable, includes a 6-inch wide extension kit and 4 pressure mount spindle rods. Perfect for doorway, hallway, and bottom of stair use. Gate can quickly be removed out of the opening for easy storage. Additional extensions sold separately. Wipes clean.Do not use abrasive cleaners or bleach. Durable and convenient, the all-steel design is durable and convenient with a walk-through door. Certified to both JPMA and ASTM standards. Note the gap between the gate and wall should not exceed more than 2.5 inches. Safety, includes multiple safety lock features, 4 wall cups for added security and mounting hardware. Please note,